Deepak. Welcome
Hi.
to the show.
Thank you.
Everyone, we have Deepak, who's the founder and CEO at Insurance Samadhan.
Yes.
Right? So Deepak, why don't you tell us a little about how is this different from some of the other insurance platforms/companies that we have, and what kind of problem are you solving?
So let me start with what we do. So we are Insurance Samadhan. We're a tech platform and we resolve insurance complaints like mis-selling, claim rejection, short settlement in life, health and general insurance. We're the only tech platform doing this in the entire Asia. And we've been around for 5.5 years, solved more than 16,000 complaints, got over 110 crores in aggregate customers account. TIE obviously is a very well-known platform. It has been a great opportunity. There were, I believe, 350 applications, and at the last only 6 were selected. So feeling very great about it.
So you're here for the funding, the Tie the Knot series, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And how much are you planning to raise, right?
We're raising 10 crores,
10 crores at a valuation of
125 crores pre-money.
125. And what's the revenue right now?
So we do 45-50 lakhs every month.
And how big is the team?
We are total 94 people.
94 people?
Yes.
Based out of?
Noida.
Or everyone is?
Everyone is Noida. We're a tech platform, so we don't need multiple offices.
Right. And so this takes care of claim settlements, but this is not a place where you can buy insurance.
So our biggest USP is we don't sell. There's a reason we sit at the center of the entire ecosystem. So everybody is our stakeholder, and so that's our USP.
Right. Who are some of the other top players who might be doing this?
So in India, there are regional players, but like I said, Pan-Asia, we're the only one. And in India, we're the only one doing Pan-India. There are regional players who do, some of them are in Ahmedabad, some of them in Kolkata. And they specifically focus either on health or general insurance. We're the only one, again, doing life, health and general insurance.
Achha. And out of the percentage of, what percentage of applications actually are able to get their claims done?
70%. Our success rate is 70%.
And what is the industry rate otherwise?
So these are all complaints or claims which were rejected by the industry. So these were 100% rejected. Then they came to us. Let me tell you, our most intelligent technology sits at the top of the funnel. So when the customer comes to us with a complaint, our algorithm understands whether the complaint is genuine in nature or not. So we select anywhere between 5 to 6% complaint. And that's the reason, that filtration is so strong, that success rate is as high as 70%.
Right. Understood. And what has been the primary reason or the primary cause that you have seen that it's getting rejected, but you guys are able to, or where's the miracle happening?
Yeah, great. So that was so miracle is happening because of the intelligence what we built in the system with our experience of insurance and legal. See what happens is there's a communication gap, which means the aggrieved customer who has lost the claim or who thinks that they've been missold, they are not able to articulate the complaint. So the game is, how do we articulate? So we cut out the noise, which is emotion that, I was promised this, I was promised that. And we only pick up the real terms and conditions which companies understand. And that's the reason companies are honoring these claims.
Right. And what has been a major challenge that your team faces in a business like this?
See, our challenge from the day one has been same. And even one of the reasons why we are here is because of the challenge. We're a very niche player. Like I said, there's nobody in Asia doing this. So telling to the country that, services like these exist, there's somebody who can take care of your rejected claim, short settlement claim or mis-selling case. Either you burn a lot of money. We don't believe in that. We've been unit economics positive for last 3 years, half years. So ideas, you go to different platforms, you do partnerships. So we have a lot of partnerships pan-India. So that's the only challenge we face.
That's amazing that you're building through partnerships and not burning money to build the business. I'm sure you got a lot of positive response from the Tie the Knot today, right?
We did.
Great. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Lovely having you.
Thank you and happy Women's Day once again.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.